Good morning student. I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. So today we'll do our maths revision class on shapes. So dear student, get ready with your maths text copy, your pencil and eraser. Write the heading example of shape. In previous class we have already learned the different types of shape, and today we will learn about the example of shape. So first we will start with square. This is the size of the shape of a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. And the example of square, example of square. Example of square is bread. Every day morning we eat bread for a breakfast. Yes or no? Yes. So example of square is bread. Now we'll do with second shape, that is rectangle. It is rectangle. B. Shape is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. An example of rectangle? Example of rectangle. It is door. D-O-O-R, door. Example of rectangle, door. D-O-O-R, door. Now we'll do shape triangle. T-R-I, try, A-N-N-G-L-E, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. And the example of triangle? Example of triangle? This is hanger. We hang clothes in almari, in a cupboard. Yes or no? You have seen your mother hanging hanging the clothes in this hanger in the cupboard. H-A-N-G-E-R, hanger. So we have finished 3 shapes with the example. Now we will do with circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. An example of circle? Example of circle. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Example of circle is wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Now we will do semicircle. S-E-M-I, semi, C-I-R-C-L-E, semicircle. An example of semicircle? Example of semicircle? Of semicircle is watermelon. This watermelon, W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Example of semicircle is watermelon. Then come F, oval, O-V-A-L, oval. Example of oval. Can you tell me the example of oval? Can? Yes, egg. This and egg. So, my dear students, today we have done with examples of shapes. You will learn the examples of shapes, okay? And all the best for evaluation too. And bye-bye.